right there. Woo! The wind hit it hard enough.
Oh, oh no, the mirror. Oh damn.
No, that's so sad.
Oh. R.I.P. mirror.
All right, so if you can see, this thing popped right out. My baby. Woo! It's a nice single track. I took you here, didn't I?
Yeah. Just that was not here last time, was it?
Not the whole thing, but some pieces, yeah. Is the cord safe?
Let's see. I don't trust this to hold weight. Oh well, no, it's pretty.
Yeah, if it can support you, it can support me. Yeah, how was your Mother's Day, huh?
Oh, it was pretty nice. You know, we had our lunch and everything.
That's good.
The grandparents.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How are they doing?
So they're okay. Kind of hard on them.
Yeah, I bet. Did they get a vaccination yet or no?
They got their first shot, yeah, but still.
Yeah, not a lot of people have their second. That's the thing. We're good. Yeah, let's go this way. I was just saying, because that trail just goes straight up a hill, and I don't think we both want to do that.
Yeah, it's fun around here, ain't it?
Jeez. It's like dodging landmines, man. Oh, we got a log.
Yeah.
Someone made a bit of a bridge. Is it just me, or does this look like it's a bit of a...
Yeah, no, this looks like it's...
Oh, I can't go over that. It's muddy, 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 muddy. Should have brought long socks. It would have been nice against this grass. I think this just goes the same way. All right, I guess we'll just head back then.
Yeah. I swear we need to do like a sacrifice to the god of trails.
Yeah, anyone got lamb? All right, so let's see where this goes.
This one here? Oh.
Actually, that looks more like you go down it, not up it.
Yeah. You want to try going down it?
Yeah, okay, let's just drive up to it, walk up, and then we'll go down.
Okay.
All right, I'm putting myself in the 42 tooth.
Oh, okay. Let's go. We'll walk.
See, I could get up this with a 42 tooth.
I don't even think I go up to 42 tooth on there. Hell.
Well, let's take a look what goes this way before we go down.
How's it looking up there?
A little bit of single track. It goes to a sick path. If it wasn't for all these down trees, it wouldn't be that bad through here. Oh my God.
Another down one.
Okay, Mother Nature's really screwing with us today. Yep, gotcha. If you said left, I would have been like, nope, I ain't going that way. Holy crap, we got horses. Okay, you know what? I picked a good trail to go down.
Yeah, no, you did.
I mean, how often do we see horses, man?
Never.
Majestic. Exploring new territory. Oh, dude, look where we are.
Holy shit, how do we... We managed to find our way back here ass backwards somehow.
Veers all left.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Michael and I, we parked our bikes right here because this whole area was frozen. Oh yeah, so that is the bridge. Okay. Well, you know what, we'll continue on this. Yo, this area looks dramatically different than like 200 meters where we came from. Alright, we're going left. Oh, this goes to nothing.
Does it go to nothing or like backtrack or like turn around?
We can walk through it, but that's as far as we can go.
You see Michael at the top? Send it, dude.
You know, I could just see him doing that and then wheel gone. Like front wheel just tacoed. We're gonna go right. Oh, watch the gap. Get to a hill. Watch the roots. I'm taking it very, very slow.
Oh.
Goes a bit down, so hold on to the brakes.
A bit down.
Whoa. Big root. Yep. Woo. Bit of a dip. Arrow position.
I'll see you.
All right, have a good day, buddy. Thread the needle, baby. Alright, so today my ride was pretty good. As you guys saw, my beautiful mirror got knocked out, and I'm not gonna lie, that scared the shit out of me. In my eyes, it's like once you get a mirror and you lose it, you don't want to ride without it. It becomes scary because you always have to look behind you. All in all, knees are feeling pretty good. Haven't had any issues other than my quads being dead right at the beginning, but once it warmed up, it was fine. Cool day, should have worn long socks for my short, but I was fine anyways. Very dirty, but great ride.